Hey, it's Locksmith here. Alright, we're going to do a little quick video here on how to change your battery on your 4-button keyless remote. So with this here, you will have a key ring on here, and to do the task you'll want to take the key ring off. Only tool you'll need for this is your actual key. It doesn't have to be this exact key and all, but once you take your key ring off, go ahead and take your key. You notice you have a flat spot here. Put that in there and just rotate, and the two halves come apart. Your battery right here is a CR2032. Use your fingernail, pop it out, and put your new one in. You push down, flip it over, make sure it doesn't fall out. Take the two halves together, and once you snap them together, you're done. You've just changed your battery.